Today it is indeed a great day for the whole of PSSM. We have inaugurated this Pyramid Meditation Channel Kannada studio. It's mainly Kannada, but all other languages will be there. Whoever has got something to say about meditation in any language is welcome, and we would like to record everything for posterity. The whole future of the world depends upon meditation. And meditation depends upon PSSM. And PSSM is depending upon PMC right now. All the problems, they come when there is no meditation at all in a person's life. Think there is no sleep for a person. What would be the state of affairs? If one person is not getting sleep. Sleep is very important for the physical body. And meditation is very important for the mind, for the soul, for the intellect. Without meditation, the mind will not be happy, the intellect will not develop, and the soul will not flourish. As sleep is for the body, meditation is for the rest of the system. Meditation, revolution is happening in the whole world. And PSSM is pioneering that revolution. Nowhere in the world will you see so many masters working day and night and day. The combined work of all the pyramid masters is phenomenal. And within the next 10 years, because of the PSSM work, the whole world will become a heaven. There will be no hell anywhere. There will be no suffering anywhere. There will be no confusion anywhere. There will be no cruelty anywhere. There will be compassion everywhere. And that's what is going to happen within the next 10 years. The times are running wildly. Things are happening with great speed. And I wish all the masters of Bengaluru city to support this PMC Kannada channel by way of contributing monetarily and also coming here and recording everything, bringing all the other masters here. So many things have to be done. So it's a great work now for all Bengaluru city masters to maintain this studio and all the work. Whatever may be the language, bring all the people here for recording. And that must be edited properly and broadcast. And I am certain very soon it will become a satellite channel also, PMC Kannada. There is no dearth of people, pyramid masters working for this. East or west, pyramid master is the best. And east or west, PMC channel is the best. And I especially thank Pradeep for this great work. And 40 masters from Bangalore city must take care of this under the leadership of Bindu madam. You are the leader for the 40 masters. Okay, Alibaba and 40.
Super titles.
Bindu madam is Alibaba. Bindu madam to speak. Alibaba.
ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರಲಿರುವ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.